This is Ian Lamont. I've been selling on Shopify for 5 years and Amazon for over 10. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a new inbound shipment to Flexport for Shopify fulfillment. If it helps, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe, and let's get started. So we're looking at Flexport's interface. This is a desktop interface. And basically, Flexport took over Shopify Fulfillment Network about 2 years ago, maybe a little bit less than that. And Flexport is way different than Shopify for setting up inbound fulfillments to a fulfillment center. It's also way different than Amazon FBA, which I've used for a even longer time than Shopify or Flexport. But I wanted to walk you through Flexport. It's a bit different, but in some ways, it's really a very good experience setting up an inbound shipment. And I'm going to give an overview of some of the features that I think are important, so it may slow things down a little bit, but I will get to setting up an actual shipment. One thing to keep in mind, I'm logged into Flexport. I'm in the US. Basically, what you need to do is click on inbounds, and then you'll see shipping plans. And you'll see that there are these weird names over here, like Lightly Kind Gorilla and Elegantly Calm Chiclid, Cyclid, I don't even know how to pronounce that. And you may be thinking, like, what the heck are all these weird words for? And the reason is because Flexport assigns them because they're memorable. Like, if you're looking in your old documents or your old maybe a new document, maybe a new set of documents for the Flexport shipment you just created. It's easier to remember if it has Gorilla or Hummingbird in the name. So that's why they do that. I'm going to create a new inbound shipment, and they're going to assign it another freaky weird name. So I'm shipping domestically. So my supplier is based in the United States, and I'm going to be just choosing domestic origin. And then I already have the address set up, and basically that's ready to go. Click next. I'm going to get rid of that. And then how do you want orders fulfilled? So Flexport, they actually fulfilled a whole bunch of different locations and setups. I use it for Shopify, but it also handles eBay and Etsy, and I think one other one as well. And it can be set up for Amazon, FBA, and Walmart as well. I haven't explored that part of it, but just making you aware of that. So I'm going to choose multi-channel fulfillment by Flexport, then click next. And then Flexport DTC Fulfillment Network. So DTC stands for direct to consumer. Basically, I want Flexport to handle sending my products to the end user, and they take care of it all. Couple choices here, case packed or individual. This is case pack products. So then add products to the shipping plan. So the name of this product has Jumbo in it, and there it is right there. And then units per box. So you need to have your measurements all sorted out. Oops. And it is 7 units. There's no battery in there, so it's 7 units total. And this is actually quite a large product. And then Flexport offers you all these options for extra services. And interestingly, Amazon has some of these, but not all of them. So, for instance, Amazon will let you have unit barcoding. I think it's less than this. It's like maybe 20 cents or 25 cents. But Amazon doesn't have damage protection as far as I know, and doesn't have bagging protection. But Flexport offers this right up front, which is great. I'm going to skip. I don't need the prep. So this lists all of the UPC codes and relevant barcodes. You can print out a copy of this document. I don't need it, so I'm just going to skip that. It says download barcodes. I don't need that. Okay. What this means is that you can ship to individual Flexport fulfillment centers, and your stuff will be available almost right away. Or you can send it to a single fulfillment center, and then Flexport will handle the transshipment. But it will take a lot longer. So I usually just do the forwarding plan because this is a small number of units, and it basically cuts down my shipping costs. I'm going to click submit. Yes, it is small parcel delivery. Flexport partner, this is usually UPS or maybe FedEx. And then you have to add the dimensions for the box. And this is actually similar to what Amazon asked for. So the weight of the box is 30 pounds even, and the box dimensions are 16 by 10 by 14 inches. And confirm and estimate cost. Okay, $10. That's actually quite reasonable. I'm going to confirm that. Confirm the charge. And then I'll be able to basically download the labels. And that's really easy. I think that's a very easy process. I like it a lot. I think Flexport is actually looking out for its smaller sellers, and I really appreciate that. So I highly recommend this for Shopify fulfillment instead of doing it yourself or instead of using some random 3PL provider. This is Ian Lamont. I'm the founder of Lean Media Consulting as well. To learn more about my consulting services or just to see other blog posts and videos that I have about using Amazon or Shopify or Flexport, go to leanmedia.org, click on blog. You can see all kinds of articles that I've been publishing over the months and years. Thank you so much for watching.